Hello, and welcome to this full digital marketing course, made especially for students and beginners who want to learn how digital marketing works and how to start using it to build a career, a business, or even earn income online. In this course, we're going to take you through all the essential areas of digital marketing, from SEO and content to social media, email marketing, and much more. So let's get started with a clear and simple introduction. 1. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other digital channels to reach consumers. It's different from traditional marketing because it allows for precise targeting, real-time results, and two-way interaction between brands and audiences. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or your personal brand, digital marketing helps you reach the right people with the right message at the right time. 2. Why is digital marketing important? Businesses today need an online presence. People spend hours on their phones and laptops every day. If you want to sell something, share something, or simply be known, digital marketing is the way. It is measurable, cost-effective, and suitable for both large companies and solo entrepreneurs. And the best part? Anyone can learn it, even students. 3. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing. It's all about making your website or content appear higher in search engine results, like on Google. When people search for something, they usually click on one of the first few results. SEO helps you get there. There are 3 types of SEO. On-page SEO, optimizing titles, content, images, and internal links. Off-page SEO, building backlinks from other websites to yours. Technical SEO, improving speed, security, and mobile friendliness. You'll use tools like Google Search Console, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush to improve SEO performance. A student who masters SEO can become an in-demand freelancer or full-time SEO specialist. 4. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. While SEO takes time, PPC gives quick results. You pay platforms like Google or Facebook to show your ad to a specific audience. You only pay when someone clicks. To run a successful PPC campaign, you need a goal, sales, sign-ups, website visits. A good ad with a call to action. The right keywords and audience. A budget and bid strategy with Google Ads and Meta Ads Manager. You can test and track performance. Many digital marketers specialize in PPC alone. It's a valuable and profitable skill. Content marketing. Content is at the heart of digital marketing. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube video, an Instagram post, or even a podcast, content is how you deliver value to your audience. It builds trust, educates, and turns visitors into customers. Good content solves a problem, is clear and engaging, is optimized for search engines, has a consistent voice. As a student, you can start your own blog or YouTube channel. If you create helpful content in a niche you care about, you can attract an audience and even monetize it. 6. Social media marketing. Today, social media is more than just posting pictures. It's a powerful platform for marketing, networking, customer service, and brand building. Each platform has its own audience and tone. Instagram is great for visuals and lifestyle brands. LinkedIn works well for professionals and B2B services. TikTok is great for short, engaging videos. Facebook is still strong for local businesses and communities. Learn how to create engaging posts, use hashtags, and run social media ads. Tools like Canva, Buffer, and Hootsuite make it easier. You can offer social media services to businesses, influencers, or NGOs. 7. Email marketing. Despite all the new platforms, email marketing is still one of the most effective tools. It has a high ROI and builds direct relationships with your audience. Key steps in email marketing. Build an email list using lead magnets, forms, or giveaways. Segment your audience by interest or behavior. Send regular emails, newsletters, offers, updates. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Learning how to create catchy subject lines, engaging content, and automation sequences can set you apart as a skilled marketer. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's a popular way to make money online, especially for students and bloggers. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program like Amazon, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Get a special tracking link. Share it through blogs, YouTube, or social media. Earn a percentage for every sale made through your link. The key is honesty. Promote only what you truly believe in and offer value with your reviews or recommendations. 9. Personal branding. In digital marketing, your name can be your biggest asset. Building a personal brand means showing your skills, values, and personality online in a consistent and appealing way. Start by creating a portfolio site with your resume and case studies. Being active on LinkedIn, sharing insights, stories, and content regularly. Asking for testimonials from clients or teachers. A good personal brand helps you get jobs, clients, and opportunities. 10. Analytics and tracking. What gets measured gets improved. As a digital marketer, you need to analyze your performance. How many people visited your website? Which ads performed best? What content had the most engagement? Use tools like Google Analytics for traffic, Google Tag Manager for tracking events, Facebook Pixel for ad conversion tracking. These tools help you make better decisions and improve your marketing over time. 11. Freelancing and online income. Once you've learned these skills, you can earn online. Many students start freelancing while studying. Here's how. Join platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create gigs like, I will write SEO blog posts, or I will manage your Instagram. Deliver high-quality work, collect reviews, and grow your reputation. Over time, you can increase your rates or create your own digital agency. 12. Building your portfolio. Your portfolio is proof of your skills. Even if you don't have paid experience, you can build a great portfolio by creating sample projects, e.g., a social media plan for a made-up brand, volunteering for local businesses or student clubs, documenting your learning on a blog or YouTube. Make sure your portfolio shows the problem, your strategy, and the results. In today's digital world, data is everywhere. From your social media interactions and online purchases to healthcare records and business performance metrics. Companies are collecting massive amounts of data every second, but raw data alone is useless unless someone knows how to analyze it and turn it into actionable insights. That's where data analysts come in. A career in data analytics is one of the fastest-growing and most rewarding paths in the tech and business world. As a data analyst, your job is to take complex data and transform it into simple, useful information that helps organizations make better decisions, whether it's improving customer experience, increasing profits, or predicting future trends. What does a data analyst do? Data analysts are responsible for collecting and cleaning data from different sources, using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python to organize and explore data, creating visualizations and reports using tools like Tableau or Power BI, identifying patterns, trends, and insights to support business decisions. Let's say you're working for an e-commerce company. You might analyze which products sell best, when people buy the most, or what marketing strategies bring in the most traffic. Based on your reports, the business can adjust pricing, improve marketing, and grow sales. Who can become a data analyst? Good news! You don't need a computer science degree to start a career in data analytics. Many successful analysts come from backgrounds like math, economics, business, statistics, and even humanities. What matters more than your degree is your ability to think critically, solve problems, and communicate clearly. If you're a student interested in numbers, patterns, and storytelling with data, this career could be a perfect match. With self-paced online courses and free tools available, you can start building skills right from home. Key skills you need. Microsoft Excel. Basic and advanced Excel is essential for early-stage data analysis. SQL, structured query language, used to retrieve and manage data from databases. Python or R. These programming languages help in advanced data analysis and automation. Data visualization tools. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio help create dashboards and charts. Critical thinking. You'll need to ask the right questions and spot trends in complex datasets. Communication. You must explain your findings in simple terms to people who aren't technical. Job roles in data analytics. There are several career paths within the world of analytics. Data analyst focuses on interpreting data and generating reports. Business analyst bridges the gap between data and business strategy. Data scientist uses machine learning and advanced statistics for deep analysis. Data engineer prepares and maintains the architecture, pipelines, and systems used for data. Marketing analyst specializes in campaign tracking, customer behavior, and ROI. Product analyst focuses on how people interact with products or apps. As a beginner, you'll likely start as a data analyst or junior analyst and gradually specialize as your skills grow.